out in the front yard. Oh boy, the reds are popping. Look at that color. Ah, beautiful. Okay. Parodias are kind of finishing up. The Echinopsis pink keeps on ticking. Just love it. And the Mammillarias are on its last leg. That's cool. Look at that. Oh, the carpenter bees are out there getting full on pollen. We have so many bees, mostly carpenter bees. The black bees. Okay, beautiful. Okay, we'll start here on this side of the dry creek. Oh, there's another one. I am just a kid in a candy store, huh? Love it. Shoot, I gotta pollinate these. Okay, cool. Mammillaria. Oh, wow. The red ones are all spent. Hopefully the pollen took. My hand pollinating. Look at that. I'm told that's wine garden. Wine garden. Okay, whatever. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, my pink Echinopsis finished. Okay, this side on the dry creek. Echeveria. Oh wow, look at that. It finally bloomed. More of a dark pink than a light pink. Yay. Yay. Mission to Mars. Ooh, look at that. Nice and light. Okay. Very cool. Cool. Echinopsis finished. Mammillaria. Matude. I mean, what do we call that? Monstrose? Okay. Look at that. Little rainbow hedgehogs. But I want to see that one. I got this one from a very, very, very nice lady in Blossom Hill. Whew. Beautiful. Looks like there's one more bud as a backup. Wow, looks like it had some damage there. Okay, it's in a pot. Barely gets any care. But it still gives beautiful babies. I like it. No pups. Wonder what Echinopsis has no pups. Is it the growing or what? I do have some columnars that are like that. Anyways, oh wow. Big fat Myrtillo cactus. Okay, that'll do it. Oh, I forgot one more. Trichocereus zelli. No flowers. Okay, but they're getting ready. That's going to be a major explosion. I got another bud here. I got lots of buds here. I thought I saw another one. There's some cute Myrtillo buds. I know there was something else. Ah, there we go, there we go, here we go. Look at that right there. This is in the Junebug Andrew cactus patch.